This is the moment we have been building towards. In this video, we will use GitHub Copilot to generate a complete Spring Boot application based on our Jira Ticket requirements. We are going to transform a user story into working code with an API endpoint, database entries, services, and tests, all generated by AI. Open Copilot Chat window with Control Shift I if it is not already opened. In my case, I have already opened it. This is where we will have a conversation with Copilot to generate our entire application. In the last video, we generated this Copilot prompt automatically. This Copilot prompt automatically from our Jira ticket. Let's open Copilot prompt.txt. You can click here. This prompt has everything we need: ticket requirements, all the Spring Boot components to generate tests and configuration, all generated automatically from our Jira ticket. Select all the text with Ctrl A, copy with Ctrl C, and then paste it into Copilot chart by pressing Ctrl V. We can remove this additional component because this is the additional text that has been added to our previous prompt. So this is basically Spring Boot application development, Scrum 5, ticket information, ticket ID, requirements. So these are all okay except that additional line that we have copied, like this line. Press enter and watch Copilot generate all the code for the entire application. Let me press enter. Now watch as Copilot generates the entire application. It's creating each file based on our requirements. This is impressive. It's building a complete structured Spring Boot application with proper layers like entity, repository, services, controller, and tests. Let's wait for Copilot to generate the complete application, and once it completed the application, we can review what the Copilot has generated. Basically, if you look at what it has created till now, it has created basically the first one, form.xml, and let me say keep, created patient search Java, patient patient Java, response.java, patient response repository.java, patient service.java, error response. Created so that we can understand what it is trying to do. So let's wait more time to generate the complete project repository. The complete output, we can look at the parts of the Copilot, how it is including line by line. You see here, good. Now the files, I'll begin with form.xml. Basically, form.xml is we asked for, like Spring Boot, parent, data, H2 data, long support for Java by Red Hat. We can enable it, it's not and then we can keep all the files that has been created in Java. And also this project is using Java Run 17. Would you like and Java 20 LTS? So I'll say no as of now, because my ticket says it should be on Java 17. Let's imagine like that. So let's reject the prompt that Copilot has been given. So not now. And then click on keep. So this has been completed. See how beautifully it has completed. Let's review what it has generated. It has generated one in the Jira to deployment. Previously we have this .env example, git ignore, copilot prompt.txt, fetch Jira Ticket.py, generate copilot prompt py, readme.md. Now if you look at, there is a patient search folder, and in that, and what this file contains is, it contains all the configuration that we have requested. Spring Boot 3.2, Spring Web for REST API, Spring Data, Java 17 and UTF-18, Spring Framework Boot, Spring Boot Starter Web, and then JPA, H2 database, Project Lombok. So everything that we required and requested as per our uh, requirement. So if you go to source and go for main and Java, we have a file called entity in patient.java. Here is the patient entity, and it has the entity annotation for JPA like at entity, at table. All are auto generated, and all the fields that we were specified, first name, last name, date of birth, email, phone, and active status, and all those things, right? So this is patient.java. Then we have repository, and in that service, in that we have patient Java, and this the repository extends JPA repository and includes custom method to find patient by last name like patient service. In this, page response, and also we have patient search response. So it is case insensitive, using containing for partial matches. The service layer handles the business logic including pagination. Notice it uses constructor injection, the best practices we requested. And we have control.java. The controller is where our REST API lives. It's mapped to API patients, and the search endpoint matches exactly what our Jira ticket specified. Like here, the search endpoint. See /API patients. That is what we requested. And also it provides validation annotation on the last name parameter with minimum 2 characters. It also accepts page and size parameters for pagination that we have at the bottom. Copilot even added Swagger annotations for API documentation. Like this is what has been generated, like search for patients and Swagger annotations. Copilot also generated patient service test.java. Service test uses Mockito to mock the repository and test the business logic. Mockito extension. The controller test uses mock MVC to test the REST endpoints, checking that requests return the right status codes and data. Having tests generated automatically is a huge time saver and ensures code quality for the start. Let's recap what just happened. We took requirements from a Jira ticket, wrote a detailed prompt, and Copilot generated a comprehensive Spring Boot application. Entity, TTO, repository, service, controller, configuration, sample data, and tests. Without AI, this would have taken hours. With Copilot, it took minutes. In the next video, we will review the generated code in detail and make any necessary adjustments. See you there.